Bry, I feel blessed I get to experience your intelligence, playfulness, and deep devotion to family on a daily basis. I can count on you to be in my corner, and I treasure the way you embrace my personality. Your compassionate nature makes me proud to be with you. As we build our lives together, I promise to support your dreams and always tell you what I think. I vow to listen for as long as it takes for you to feel heard, and I vow to continue giving you hugs around the house when you least expect them. I promise to help you be your best self and to let you sometimes take me out of my comfort zone. Most of all, I vow we'll do things our way, nurturing our love now and forever.
I, Brian, give you, Zachary, this ring as an eternal symbol of my love and commitment to you.
By the power vested in me by the state of California, I pronounce you husband and husband. You may kiss the groom.
I would like to congratulate the both of you on this very long-awaited day. I am so grateful to have such a wonderful, selfless, and caring brother to take after me. I've had an amazing brother my whole life, and I'm so proud and excited to officially be gaining another brother today. Welcome to the family.
are like cities. We all have alleys and gardens and secret rooftops and places where daisies sprout between the sidewalk cracks. But most of the time, all we let each other see is a postcard glimpse of a skyline or a polished square. Love lets you find those hidden places in another person, even the ones they didn't know were there, even the ones they wouldn't have thought to call beautiful themselves.